All right, so the clicking on a third gen Tacoma when you're going up a driveway or if you hit a speed bump or anything like that, you might think it could be brake pads or something like that. It's not. It's this lower strut bolt right here. When you take off this old one, you're gonna notice that there's wear right here on this area. So you'll notice the difference right away. 10.9 XY. Amazon. So I think these were 20 bucks. There's one for each side. Um, and when you torque everything back down, just make sure that the strut is compressed. That way you don't mess up the bushing. But this will fix that clicking sound. It's not your brake pads. It could be other stuff too, but specifically on mine, this is it. So I'll post an update here soon with the sound and then without.